You put your spoon in the laundry. Hey, look out. Get out of the laundry. Get out. Mommy needs to put more clothes in. Excuse me. Excuse me. What are you doing? You helping Mommy with laundry? That's right, put it back in. Good job. All right, put some more in. No, we want it in, not out. How did Mommy ever do laundry without you? Uh-oh. That's right, put it back in. Thank you. Make sure it goes all the way. Nope, nope. All the way in. Like that. Put this in there too. All the way in. Thank you. You helped Mommy with laundry. Now what? That was it. All done.